This is Cynthia Demore, and welcome to the Dynamic Chapter Program. I'm so excited to be working with you over the next several months to help you transform your chapter meeting experiences into must-attend events. The neat thing about this program is we're going to teach you how to make it easy to do, so less work, bigger results, and tons of fun for you as well. To get you started on really firm ground, I've identified 3 steps to ease you into our program. The first is I'd like you to save the dates. As part of this program, over the next 2 months, we'll be doing 5 group coaching Q&A sessions. And in those sessions, you're going to get to bring your questions about the design work that you're doing for your meetings, as well as challenges you're having with your chapters. So it's like a sort of a 2-parter. We'll focus on how to help you with what you're learning, and then with the leftover time, we'll talk about challenges you're having. You don't have to attend all of these. You should attend at least one of them. So I want to encourage you to go put those dates on your calendar. You can find them in the events section of the group site. So if you look at events, you'll see I've already set them all up so you can RSVP if you want, but at least grab the dates and times and put them on your calendar and plan to attend at least one of them, if not more. They'll be a lot of fun, very informative, and I'll be sharing specific how-to information you can use right away. Number 2 is I would like you to say hello. One of the great benefits of being in a program like this is that you get to build your network with your colleagues and peers across the country. To help you with that, I've set up an introduction thread. You'll find it in the discussion section of our group, and I'm asking you to share what's your chapter, why are you taking this program, like why are you here, and what is your superpower? Now, you may not have your superpower yet. However, it's always fun to think about if you had a superpower, what would it be and why? We can learn a lot about a person by their superpower. And then finally is I'd like you to identify what's the big dream. This is actually going to be your first official assignment for the program. And what I'm talking about by the big dream is too often what happens is we do stuff because we always do it and we don't think about why we're doing it. And when you want to turn your chapter into a must-attend place that's totally irresistible, getting out there and telling members they need to attend so you can have more members showing up or more people showing up, nobody cares about that. You need to get to that story of what are you going to do? Let's say you implement everything you learn here and you start getting more and more people to show up. That's what we want to know about. Why does it matter that those people show up? What's the big dream? What are you going to do when your chapter is thriving, overflowing with volunteers? Tons of people recognize your chapter as the place to be. What's going to happen then? What's the big dream that you guys want to accomplish? When you can put words to that, it's so much easier to do the rest of it. It's like the future pulls you forward. If all you're doing this is because you need relief and, it's what you're supposed to do, it's not going to be as easy to do. I am all about how to do things with less effort and bigger results. And this is one of the tricks behind it, is whenever you have a project or something you need to do, when you get to what it's going to be like the future memory, what's it going to be like once this is done and you're celebrating, then you can sell the story. Now, as we do these big dreams, it's totally okay to have one for you. Like once we get all these people showing up, it's going to be truly a dream to serve in leadership because we'll have the support we need to be able to get more strategic and to go deeper into the community and do all sorts of fun things. And I want to be part of that team. It may be simply that you have a dream that you will no longer be a recycled leader. That's okay too. I want you to identify 2 potential dreams for your chapter though. What are you going to do with all these people? And the more you define it and give color to it and emotions and describe the fun, the more effective it becomes. I've set up a discussion thread in the group where you will need to put your answers. And it says DQ1, and it's actually your first assignment for this program. You don't have to share your personal big dream unless you want to. You do need to share the 2 dreams that you have for your chapter on what you'll do once you have this thriving, vibrant community that attends your events and supports what you want to be doing. If you are participating as a team, you may submit as simply a team response, or you can submit as individuals. The key is someone from every team or every individual needs to respond in order to get credit for this discussion question. I can't wait to read some of your big dreams. So buckle up your seatbelts. We are going to be delving into transformation, which is going to showcase a more effective use of your time so you get bigger results with less effort and you get to build up this momentum of excitement around your chapter, making your chapter the place to be. So save your dates, say hello, and start dreaming big and share it with us. And I'll see you in the group.